Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to PEPE update today. And so PEPE is showing its disinterest of actually continuing to go to the upside. 3 more days to actually close the private. And again, if you want to join the Discord, just comment Discord, and I'm going to give you the Discord because I'm cooking a lot of things on Discord right now. And let's actually check what is going on with PEPE and what is the next move for PEPE. Now, we got a little bit of a pump that was amazing. The bearish people actually got stopped here, and the bullish people got stopped as well. So mission achieved, and I think now that Pepe has made it very, very clear that it does not want to go back up. And what I mean by this is that you're making a red candle, then the second and the third candle, which are three black crows, and this here is expected to be green. Like after you have three red candles, the fourth one is expected to be green, and then from there the next coming days you're going to see a continuation of a downtrend, because these three candles mean continuation. That means continue the trend, which is a downtrend. So I personally see that that's the first problem. The second problem is the wick. Okay, this wick is obvious that they want to fill it. I mean, if you've been in crypto for maybe 1 year, you do know this. You must know this. Wicks, they always try to fill the wicks. Wicks are still open invitation for trouble. If you look at wicks, it just gives you the whole damn idea. Sometimes you just don't even need TA. It can be as simple as just looking at how a wick looks like for you to know something is not good, that something is totally wrong. And I can say this for certain that I have a very strong belief we're looking for the wick to be filled, and this is going to be 5917. So not only just fill, but people have wicks here and they have the stop losses below the wicks, right? So you do have huge liquidation areas down right over here, which is nearly 4652. So I think if you start to come down, right, here's the next move, I guess. You take the wick, and I think that's it. You're coming down to 4789. So that's all for the video, quick one, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.